Okay, A1 Auto or somebody help me understand how to get this thing right here disconnected from the column mounted shifter on a 2005 Chevy Impala. This is a column mounted shifter. I mean, I could disconnect this, which can, but that's difficult because it's connected in here to like some type of spring prong metal piece up in here. Um, but that is already disconnected because it connects to the ignition switch. Okay, so this right here is the mystery of how to disconnect this either from here or deep back there. Got any ideas? Let me know. Shit.